Hi, I'm Kevin from Live Edge, and today we're going to learn how to sand a tabletop. The tools you'll need for this project are sandpaper with a random orbit sander. So now I have my dining room table timber-linked, glued up, and it's ready to sand. So I did a really good job on this one, so I'm going to start off with 120 grit sandpaper, and I'll show you guys a cool trick to put it on. You want these holes to be lined up with the holes on your sander, because this is where your dust is being sucked up. So I'm going to start sanding. I'm going to move in a very fluid motion back and forth across in the direction of the grain of the table. Now, if you want to have a really hand scallop look to your table, you can really hold your sander on an angle like this and just work your joints down. It's going to be very fast. That's not the look I'm going for. I'm going to keep my sander flat. I want my table to be as flat as possible, so I'm going to use very little pressure. I'm just going to let the sander do the work. I'm going to go back and forth across the table in smooth patterns, and you guys can watch the time lapse to see how it goes. And that's the end of our project. Thanks a lot everyone for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos on YouTube and on our website, liveedgetimber.com. See you guys next time.